You're watching how Leap. Let's use AI to boost your company's marketing. First, use AI for content creation. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can write blog posts, social media captions, and add copy quickly. Second, use AI for customer segmentation and personalization. Platforms like HubSpot use AI to analyze customer data and send targeted email campaigns. Third, use AI for social media management. Tools like Hootsuite Insights or Sprout Social use AI to suggest the best times to post and analyze sentiment. Fourth, use AI for advertising. Google Ads and Meta Ads use AI-powered bidding and audience targeting to optimize your ad spend for better results. Finally, use AI for analytics. Tools like Google Analytics have AI features that predict customer trends and identify high-value segments. Start with one tool and integrate more as you scale. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.